Hi, I am Ayushi. I'm an AI product builder based in Boston. I try to find problems and try to find a solution for it as well by figuring it out, and that's why I met Pallavi here as well. And together we built Cypher, a post merger integration intelligence agent on Microsoft Foundry. Over to you, Pallavi.
Hi, my name is Pallavi and I am an AI product manager. I come with 7 years of experience and I met Ayushi while building with AI. So, the problem that we have or we have taken here is a post merger and acquisition scenario. When two companies merge, the integration team inherits a mess that has nothing to do with the deal, but everything to do with the first 90 days. An acquirer and a target, two sets of vendor contracts, two org charts, two SLA frameworks, and in completely different separate systems. So nobody can really answer a simple cross company question without manually digging through both, which takes time. So that is why we came up with this idea that now, since we are building agents with AI, why not build an AI agent that is intelligent enough to dig through both the company's documents and give answer in a second? So first of all, we will start with the agent that we have created for Beta Company. So I shall give it to you
Yeah.
and you can get started.
Yeah, thanks, Pallavi. So we built Cypher natively on the Microsoft ecosystem. Two Azure tenants are there, one for the acquirer Alpha Technologies, both companies are hypothetical, and one for the target, that is the Beta Intelligent company. Both mirrors how a real merger actually looks like. On top of that, two Microsoft Foundry projects are built, Azure OpenAI running through GPT 4.1 mini for reasoning, and Azure AI Search for retrieval of the documents in Microsoft 365. And also we have Microsoft Entra for cross-tenant identity. So this is the, as you can see on the screen, there are, like, I'm searching who are beta stock customers and which contracts are renewing soon. So this will give me all of the vendor contracts and everything. Okay, looks like there's some error. And let me just refresh it for a second because no worries, we can still see what's happening. So what this agent will do is it will scan through the knowledge base of beta, search through the vendor contracts, SLAs, organization charts, and financial summaries here, and it will precisely answer with giving the citations back as well from the source document. You can see it here. The key findings are given for the beta technologies, and what source documents have also been verified are also given here, and this information is cited acrossly, so we can see the documents are given here. So every answer is grounded and it never guesses. This is the retrieval foundation in which the whole system works on. Now over to you, Pallavi.
Because I'm gonna quickly share my screen and show you the other agent that we have. Okay, so this is Cypher Orchestrator, and this is sitting in Alpha's the acquirer company, and it is capable of looking into both the company's documents. So all the answers that you will see should be grounded in both the companies. So that's the whole logic, that the agent is intelligent enough to not just answer for Alpha, but also be able to give us a cumulative answer when we are trying to look at both the companies altogether. So I asked about customer success, which is like another very first 90-day question. Who owns customer success at Vita? Like a general question. So you can see it quickly gave me an executive summary, gave me a quick finding from both the companies, and then combined risk assessment and recommended action. I'm going to go over one more question, which we feel is quite important when you are looking at a merger. So another is question is, what are the top three financial and operational risks? Very meaningful question. And again, you can see it is going over the summary and findings from the two companies. I think how we made this agent is that it is capable of not just finding answers in the document, but really work like a brain and kind of comprehend an answer grounded in both the companies, and give a cumulative answer on the in terms of like what are the financial risks or what the company overall should take action to kind of enhance the business.
Yeah.
So that was the thought process behind it. And
Yeah.
I guess we had a lot of fun making this. I should even add anything here?
Yeah, so we had a lot of fun while working on the Microsoft Enterprise AI agents, and it was like the first time we created something, and it was difficult in some way. There were challenges, but at the end, we had success at creating it. So at the end, the Cypher can definitely create a board ready integration brief in seconds, and every claim would be traceable. Thank you so much for being with us, and I was really glad that Pallavi was my teammate and we got to work together.
Yes, it was a fun time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.